Temporary projects in combustible work sites, such as jobs involving equipment maintenance, installation, or construction, are unpredictable. A common issue with these types of dangerous jobs is inadequate lighting. An effective solution for reliable illuminative support while conducting temporary work is to bring and set up your own industrial lights. Larson Electronics explosion-proof string lights are recommended for temporary construction, hazardous locations, tunnels, mining, confined spaces, and emergency tents. String lights increase safety by extending illumination in hard-to-reach sections of the area. Our selection of Class 1, 2, and 3 rated explosion-proof string lights includes the following: multiple lamp types, LED, fluorescent, and incandescent, various cable lengths, types, and spacing, daisy chain capable, wire guard on light heads for protection, and units with inline transformers. These non-sparking explosion-proof string lights feature a top-located hook or clamps for hands-free operation and easy mounting on scaffolding, poles, ladders, beams. We also offer several accessories for our explosion-proof string lights, such as bulbs, guards, replacement domes or rings, mounting bases with eye hooks, and more. Please like, subscribe, and share. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.